So today I'm here in Seminyak and I'm down at the famous 66 beach. I'm not actually on the beach, I'm just on the roadside, and I want to take you and show you a little bit of the road that backs onto 66 beach. And you can see down into the pool. All the rooms in the back over there. And that's a full span of a swimming pool there. And this is your inside sea. See, we have big. This is a view from the top. Seating area as well under the roof. And this is just outside. And this one's the hotel. A place called Bullshit Court. A little section of beach on this end. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Seminyak and I'm down at the famous 66 beach. I'm not actually on the beach, I'm just on the roadside, and I want to take you and show you a little bit of the road that backs onto 66 beach. We'll show you 66 beach also in this video, but most of all I want to show you the restaurants, the massage shops available along the road that runs right along the back of the beach. So come with me, let's go and have a walk. So this is the entrance here to 66 beach. You have to. Okay, so parking down here at 66 beach for a car is 10,000 and for a motorbike it's 2,000. So here's your first place when you enter, which is a Minimart convenience store. And we have a little restaurant over here. This is a authentic Indonesian restaurant, selling some reasonably cheap priced food. And there's your inside of the restaurant or the room. So you have all these little access points here, little gateways that give you access to the beach. There's a lot of construction work going on at the moment, so 66 beach isn't looking too pretty. ATM machine here, Maya Bank, and then here you have the famous Carla Spa. This is a very popular massage place here in Bali, branches throughout Bali. And next to Carla Spa you have a Circle K convenience store. I've actually got some seating here also. They actually sell some drinks as well. Nice coffee. Hot dogs, burgers and kebabs. And then here we have the Ocean Beach Spa. We've just been given permission, we can go up and show you the rooftop of this spa, so come with me. This looks like an interesting, great place for the kids. We've got to walk up these stairs. I've just contacted the reception in the spa because there was nobody up here. And then here's the top area. Looking down by the road, and there's 66 beach over there. just from the top here, that's your view overlooking straight out onto the beach. And they also have another kids play area inside as well with a trampoline, etc. So the swimming pool and the kids play area, what I've just showed you, is for guests only staying at this hotel. The other section of the little play park upstairs, that is available. That's 100,000 per child, and that's an all-day entrance. Next place along the way is a place called Zanzibar restaurant. Just give us permission to go inside, but we don't want to be near the customers. And this is your inside seating area. Out to the beach. Just next door to the Zanzibar, you have a place called Pavilion Surf Club, Legian Beach. This is the outside seating area. It also has an upstairs seating area as well. And we've just been given permission to go in and take you around. So it's the Pavilion Surf Club. Some activities here going on. To take you around for a look inside. This is the inside seating area here. You see they have big screen TVs also on the back wall. Here's the nice bar area. It's a very clean place, clean kitchen, clean bar area. And then we also have an upstairs seating area as well. Wow, look at this. We have the TVs again here. All around the TVs. Great seating area there overlooking the beach. This is a view from the top. Next door to the pavilion we have the Blue Ocean restaurant. It's having a little bit of work done at the moment on the top. And then we've just been given permission to take you for a look around in here. So this place is having some work done at the moment. It's under construction. Inside seating area as well under the roof, so it's very nice. Here's a little bit of the menu just so you've got some idea of the prices. Convenience store and a little shop.
No, we're not.
Next you have the Salon and Spa, which is around this corner and up those stairs. Okay, so next along we have Hotel Kumala Pantai, and also it has a restaurant called The Sand. We've been given permission to show you around inside here. There's a huge seating area in the courtyard under all the big trees. some wooden tables here at the back. And this one's the hotel here at the back of the restaurant. Nice little statue here. And this is just outside the Sand and the Kumala hotel. I'll just walk through the gate now and go and take a look at the beach in this area. It looks pretty empty at the moment. Wow, an empty beach. Ooh la la. So we have the new track along the back of the beach now. We have an area at the back also. And the beach is just empty. Some local little warungs as well along the back of the beach here, selling drinks, snacks, coconuts, and you've got many of them just along the back of the beach, all the way along this new path, and then all your seating areas just all on the beach here. Okay, so the next way is a place called Bali Legian. This is the seating facility by the road, and then we've just been given permission a bit to go into the restaurant, and it is a hotel as well up at the top. Hotel rooms are in the back there. And we also have an upstairs as well here. We may as well show you while we're here. Wow, look at this. Ooh la la, nice. That's your view, and you can see down into the pool. Just walking along from the beach house, and you have a place called Burger Buzz, pasta and pizza, fish and chips and cold beer. It's just a simple little place along the side of the road. We have another big place here. A place here called Hitana and Bali Niksoma Boutique Beach Resort. Is all the way along there. This is all the Bali Niksoma here. And we have a place called Bullshit Corner here, Jackie Bar. And we take you and have a look at this little section of beach. You can see you have the track also at this end, the new footpath leading all the way back up there as well. Next along the line we have a place called the Puri Raja Hotel. Raja. It's also a bar and restaurant. Given permission to take you a look around in here. So here's the hotel seating area. here at the hotel. All the rooms in the back over there. So we have a lot of lounges around the swimming pool. So next along the line we have a restaurant called the Mozzarella Restaurant and Bar, and then there's the Bandha Hotel also, which joins it in the back. We've just been given permission to show you around here. Joins the restaurant and the swimming pool in the back. And then this is a view of the hotel in the background with the swimming pool there. Okay, so that concludes my video for this street running along the back of 66 Beach. As you can see, we've got a great collection of restaurants here, some fabulous hotels in this area. This is usually a very, very busy beach. However, today it wasn't so busy, maybe due to the weather being a little bit overcast. You can get some snacks and drinks and refreshments on the beach also. We've got the new path that's been installed now, which makes it easy for you to walk along the back of the beach. And then on the other side of the road you have all the restaurants, there's convenience stores, there's hotels. So you've got a great selection, great choice here. Everything is geared towards tourists and having a great holiday. So I hope this video has been of some use to you. Hope this video helps decide whether this is an area for you to stay or an area for you to visit during your time here in Bali. Glad to share this special place with you, and I shall say bye for now.